Hello everybody, this is Vincent from Affiliate Theme.io, and this video is about the product options from the affiliate theme, and we're going to focus on the general and buttons section for now. So let's start with general. So the first option you have is the so-called fake shop. So before we start doing this, I just imported a few products for demo purposes, because if we don't have products here, we're not going to see how those changes actually affect the way our products are displayed and how the information is also displayed. So we have a few products here, and the first option, as I said, is fake shop. So what a fake shop basically does is there is no product page on your own website, but the customer is directly directed to your affiliate partner if somebody clicks on the buy link. So for example, right now, if we click a product right here, this one, we click on it and we arrive on an own product page here on our own website. But maybe we want this link to go directly, in that case, to Amazon. So in that case, we go back to the back end, to fake shop, click activate, click update. We refresh our homepage and you see the details button disappeared. And if we click the product now, we're immediately directed to Amazon. So in some cases, this feature might be sensible. So in addition to that, you can also activate the cloaker. So in order for you to understand what the cloaker is, I'm just going to show you how it works in action. So we activate it now, we click update, and now we refresh our page. We click on the product and you can see now the cloaker appeared. So it's sort of a redirect page you see in the meantime, and basically the cloaker lets you disguise the destination's URL so that it's not directly evident for the visitor on which page he will finally land. So this is also an option, but not for us right now, because we don't want to create a fake shop. So we're going to deactivate those two options. And now we can change two options here, which is permalink and archive permalink. So let's just go back to our front end and just refresh to be sure. We go to one product and we can see now that there is a certain URL already inserted. So here we got the product, and before we have this little /product and then / the actual product. So this part can actually be defined right here in the product section here for permalink. So right now we still see it says Produkt here, which is the German word for product. So let's just type in product here, click update, refresh our page, and as you can see, the K became a C. So the same thing can be done for archive permalinks. So WordPress archives every post, for example, and it also archives each and every product you import to your affiliate website. So once again, here you can also define the archive permalink, so it works just as it worked with the normal permalink. So we could just change this as well to product or whatever, but this is not relevant for now, so we're just going to keep it like that. So now let's move on to the buttons section. So basically we always have two different buttons in the affiliate theme. The first one is details and the second one is buy. So you can see them here on the front end. You have the details and the buy button. So first of all, you can deactivate them globally, both of them separately. So this would make, for example, the details button disappear everywhere on your website. So if people search for a product or if they just see it in a list, they won't see the details button. So let's just try and see if this works for our homepage. we deactivated it, we go to the front end, and we see the details button disappeared. But we want it to be there, so we're just going to activate it again. And the next option here is the button value. So here you can define what is actually displayed inside the button, so the text that is here. And there are two options. First of all, the long value and the short value. So sometimes in the theme there's a lot of space for the button, and in that case the long value is displayed. And if there is just little place, for example in the sidebar, there's just going to be the short value displayed. So you can modify it here, and this is of course also the same for the buy button. So and last but not least, you can also customize how the buttons for each and every network look like. So for example, if you're an Amazon affiliate or if you use Affiliate, you can adjust the buttons according to the network. So we're going to explain that in a later video when we're actually already set up all those kind of accounts.